Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can blur background like in DSLR on Android phone's camera. Okay, first of all, let's just open our camera on our Android phone. Then we're going to open the more option right here. Okay, and on this more option, we have to select the Pro option. And here we can blur the background of our picture. I'm going to demonstrate it to you. And you can click on this focus option and make sure that you select the autofocus. Okay, and let's just take a picture. You have to adjust the position. Okay, and I think it has been already blurred. And I'm going to take the picture. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result on our gallery. Okay, and this is the result, guys. As you can see that the background is blurry. Alright guys, and that's how we can blur background like in DSLR on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.